Ayan na, let's do this! Welcome back to my channel! Okay, and now we are going to do a beautiful flowers. We are going to do 2 pieces flowers. But before that, we are going to make a slip knot. Whatever slip knot or magic ring that you're gonna be making, it's up to you. Whatever your taste will be, the decision is on your hands. Okay, chain 2 into the magic ring. You're going to do treble stitch. I will be showing you a slow-mo how to make the treble stitch. After that, you're going to do is the chain 2 and then slip stitch. There, you're gonna repeat that for 5 times. There you go. Now you have made 5 petals. You're just going to pull the yarn end. And then after that, you're going to cut the tail long enough to use it for sewing. You're going to attach these 2 pieces flowers into the beautiful shoes. Of course, you are going to be needing beads like that. You're going to put it into the middle of the hole. We are going to speed things up, so let's do this. As I keep on saying every time in my video, all you have to do is to use the pliers, pulling out the needle so your hand will be safe. Take care of your hand because all the artwork is from your hands, like that. This is what you are gonna do with it. You're going to sew the beautiful flowers into the strap of the booty. See? Just like that. It's so easy, right? Right. You should have 2. 1 pair of it. 1 to the left shoe and 1 to the right shoe. Okay, let's do this. As usual, we are going to speed things up. I'll see you later on when we are going to do or attach the snaps. I don't know how you call it, snaps or fasteners. It's up to you. Okay, and then you're going to do is to keep all the yarn ends nice and slowly. And then we are done. Next to the next phase. This time, we are going to be needing these fasteners. Like that. You're going to sew it at the side of the shoes. Just like that. The one that I did on the pink shoes. Just like that. And now, let's begin with your smaller size needle. And of course, you will be needing a sewing thread. Just do it nice and slowly. Although the video is in speed mode, this is what happened. If you're in speed mode, everything will be fast to you. So here, and we are done. See, it's so fast. But just remember, work slowly so it will be neatly. Thumbs up when you like it. Hooray! And now it's for sale. PM me for details. And to any commissions, ayan, order, ganyan. All you have to do is to PM me. I'm shipping also nationwide and international. Dabangan na bongga. Okay, and thank you so much for watching and keeping me company. And I hope you've learned something. Much love from me.